Good morning, Wrap Shop Garage. It is Monday, and today is just going to be a little bit of a walk around, kind of follow me around throughout the day, see what we have going on. We have this tow truck that we've been working on, wrapping the bed yellow from white. We have to do the graphics on this. So this has got to roll by Wednesday. We have another Master Spas van up there, which I do have a video on that if you want to go check that out, how those are wrapped. We're going to be working on that today. And we have a landscaping truck that we have to do. So you're going to get to follow me around throughout the day and see what kind of chaos I have to deal with. And we're going to get going right away today by getting this Blue Mel's truck laid out, this landscaping truck that we have over here, and probably move on to the layout for this tow truck when we're waiting for a little bit of material. So once material gets here, we can finish this Master Spas van. So I want to roll this tow truck, this Master Spas van need to roll by Wednesday, and this Blue Mel's truck that we're doing needs to roll tomorrow. So I think we're going to start the Blue Mel's, zip on over to this, and we have some layout, design, quoting. It's just a typical Monday. So enjoy. So I think we have about half of this Master Spas done. We should be able to finish this up today pretty easily. Got some finish work to do, some trimming coming around the front and then the other side. This Blue Mel's truck, we are removing everything and switching it over to another division of their company. So that should be pretty simple. We'll probably actually roll this today also. I think right away this morning though, I'm gonna try and finish up my bowling shirts. I was having issues with the heat press. And it's not working out right. I'm not happy with the material I'm using either. It sounds like a diaper.
We're gonna jump into some design here. We already have everything on file. It's just gotta be scaled down to fit this particular vehicle. So I'm going to grab some of the previously done logos, drop them on the side of this Dodge, get it scaled out, and the lettering needs to change to green from red. We're pretty much matching a vehicle that they already have. Just got to get this scaled down so it matches. Get it left justified. So actually the vehicle that we're copying that they already have in their fleet is incorrect. If you look at the driver's side, it has the lettering to the left of the logo. And technically, per their specifications, the logo should always be to the left. So you can see I'm laying it out here, how they had it, and then fixing it to the way it should be. Contacted the customer for approval, and they said, yeah, that truck that we have is wrong, so we're gonna have to fix that one. So the one I'm doing here is correct. It's time to send it on over to the printer.
Yeah, it scores it pretty good, so if you just kind of bend it away.
Yeah, okay. I was gonna say, because you can't really cut it all the way through otherwise.
Yep, no, that's true.
Perfect.
That one decided to go a little wonky. So we got one out of that.
Yeah. Get started. It's a little bit tricky, because if you don't get it lined up right, you know, perfectly, then it goes off.
Yeah. So what I'll do, I will do with a cut on these inside, so it gives us some leeway. You know, so we don't end up with that.
Yeah.
I lost it again. Ah, there it is. Did you put it there or did I put it there?
I put it there. So whose water is that?
Not mine.
Okay. I must put in the contact came back there.
What's that? Box? Yeah.
This thing looked like it had been parked on a
Oh, and biking. Yeah.
bike right in.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't get that. But it sounds like it's gonna be nice.
The only thing I found, I was like, oh, I got this nano wet.
Perfect. Just anything to give you a gliding surface. Okay. car show.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, trust me, I see it every day.
Any idea what this was from? Because I took my boxes off the counter here, I was like, whoa. We'll work from there. This is some new logo for them.
No, it's just another division they have.
Oh,
So they're switching this truck over from Blue Mills to this.
Reposition.
Where was he from?
What's that?
Where was he from?
Where?
Was he a cop?
No. He was an assistant manager over.
Oh, okay.
He's like, no, I'm gonna be going full time there in a position, and it's gonna be a lot better. And I don't think that he got the exact position he thought he was getting, or he wasn't getting nearly the hours he thought he was getting. And last I heard, he was like talking about maybe coming back and doing a little part time at the theater again.
All right, I'm gonna go jump on the forklift here. I gotta get this 472 Hemi loaded up for Marcus's 65 Dodge and head over to the shop. Forklift, she's an oldie, but she's a good. This thing is a monster of a motor. 426 Hemi poured out to a 472. Dual quads with the original magnesium intake.
for the next one?
Yeah. We haven't done a blue melt stuff like that.
Did he drop it off or no?
Yeah, we got it done.
Well, there you have it, a day in the life of me. A moderately easy day. We got almost everything accomplished we wanted to. A couple more things need to get out the door. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please like, tag, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I definitely do appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.